Picture this. You walk into a dealership in 2025 and the service technician diagnosing your car isn't just checking under the hood. They're interpreting real-time AI predictions about your engine's future performance, managing over-the-air software updates, and coordinating with machine learning systems that know your vehicle better than you do. But here's what's really staggering. This isn't just automotive evolution. It's part of what researchers are calling the most significant skills transformation in modern history. Today, we're diving into research that reveals how 39% of workers' core skills will have changed by 2030, requiring 12 million occupational transitions across the U.S. economy alone.
That's a massive human impact, Steve. Auto intelligence is produced by auto-agentic AI, and honestly, when I first read through this research, the scale of change happening specifically in automotive caught me off guard. We're not just talking about learning new tools. We're talking about 85 million jobs disappearing globally, while 97 million new jobs emerge. The automotive industry is right at the center of this transformation.
Exactly, Claire. New episodes drop every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So grab your morning coffee or tea. This is the perfect blend of automotive insights and your daily dose of industry intelligence. What makes this transformation so dramatic is the compression of time. Technical skills now become outdated in less than 5 years compared to decades in previous generations. For automotive professionals, this isn't a distant future scenario. It's happening right now.
And the automotive sector represents one of the most comprehensive examples of AI integration across an entire value chain. The research shows we're moving from what they call mechanical products to software platforms with wheels. Traditional automotive service technicians now need to understand how AI algorithms control everything from engine performance to driver assistance systems, plus cybersecurity protocols and integrated systems diagnostics.
Here's a statistic that really hits home. Up to 30% of hours worked across the U.S. economy could be automated by 2030. But in automotive, we're seeing something different. Instead of simple replacement, we're seeing what the researchers call human-in-the-loop workflows, where AI handles computational heavy lifting while humans provide context, judgment, and creative direction.
That's fascinating because when you think about a typical service bay today versus 5 years ago, a technician who trained on traditional combustion engines is now dealing with electric powertrains, AI-optimized battery management systems, and predictive maintenance algorithms. The research mentions that automotive technicians must now understand high-voltage safety protocols combined with software diagnostics and AI system troubleshooting.
And here's where it gets really interesting from an economic perspective. Workers with AI skills now earn 56% higher wages, up from just 25% the previous year. That acceleration is remarkable. But the research shows it's not just about technical AI proficiency. Prompt engineering skills alone are commanding salary premiums of $15,000 to $30,000 in non-technical roles.
Prompt engineering in automotive is particularly compelling. This could mean crafting better queries for inventory management systems, diagnostic platforms, or customer relationship tools. The research shows that workers skilled in prompt engineering can achieve faster, more accurate results from AI tools. For a service advisor trying to find the right part or diagnose a complex issue, these skills could be transformational.
Let's dig deeper into what the research calls the great skills disruption. This isn't just about automotive. It's about understanding how our industry fits into a massive economic shift. In healthcare, AI diagnostic tools are becoming standard in radiology, but they augment rather than replace medical professionals. In financial services, AI handles automated trading and risk assessment, but humans focus on complex financial planning and client relationships.
Right, and automotive is unique because we're dealing with both the physical product transformation and the service relationship evolution simultaneously. Healthcare workers need skills in AI-assisted diagnosis interpretation, while automotive technicians need skills in AI-assisted vehicle diagnostics. Financial advisors are learning to provide AI-enhanced customer advisory services, and our service advisors are doing the same thing with vehicle maintenance and repair recommendations.
The research emphasizes several core skill categories that automotive professionals need to master. First is foundational AI literacy, and this isn't just for engineers anymore. Service advisors, parts managers, even sales staff need basic understanding of how AI systems operate, their capabilities, and their limitations.
AI security awareness is becoming critical too, as AI tools handle increasingly sensitive customer information. Automotive workers need to understand data privacy implications, recognize which platforms are appropriate for confidential customer data, and follow organizational protocols for AI tool usage. When you're dealing with connected vehicle data, this becomes even more complex.
What about the technical integration skills? The document mentions several that seem directly applicable to automotive work, but also highlights something called digital workflow optimization.
Absolutely. This involves understanding how to structure work processes that combine human judgment with AI automation. In automotive service, this might mean designing workflows where AI analyzes sensor data and identifies potential issues, but humans apply domain expertise to prioritize repairs, communicate with customers, and make strategic decisions about warranty claims.
The automotive industry section really caught my attention because it talks about connected vehicle data management. Modern vehicles generate and transmit massive amounts of data. Automotive workers need skills in data privacy compliance, cloud-based vehicle diagnostics, and real-time performance monitoring. This includes managing vehicle-to-infrastructure communication systems and ensuring secure data transmission.
The electric and hybrid vehicle technology integration adds another layer of complexity. Technicians must understand how AI optimizes battery performance, manages thermal systems, and coordinates complex powertrains. It's like, well, traditional automotive skills combined with advanced software diagnostics and AI system troubleshooting.
But here's what really struck me about this research: the emphasis on uniquely human capabilities becoming more valuable, not less. As AI demonstrates increasing capability in analytical and procedural tasks, emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, and interpersonal skills command unprecedented wage premiums.
This connects to what the research calls the emotional economy. Organizations are beginning to formally recognize and compensate skills like conflict resolution, team motivation, change management, and cultural integration that were previously considered ancillary to real work. In automotive service, psychological safety creation becomes a quantifiable business outcome.
Can you expand on that? Because this seems like a fundamental shift in how we value human work.
Sure, the research shows that teams with high emotional intelligence significantly outperform those with primarily technical skills. In an automotive service department, workers who can build trust, facilitate difficult conversations about expensive repairs, and create inclusive environments generate measurable returns through improved team performance and reduced turnover costs.
Stress management and resilience coaching emerge as high-value skills as AI implementation creates what the research calls technology anxiety on automotive workforces. Employees who can help teams navigate uncertainty, manage technology transitions, and maintain human connection amid digital transformation become essential organizational resources.
Communication and storytelling skills become critical for translating AI insights into actionable business intelligence. Automotive professionals must be able to explain complex AI-generated analyses to customers, craft compelling narratives around vehicle data, and facilitate decision-making processes about maintenance and repairs.
You're listening to Auto Intelligence, brought to you by Automotive, the platform transforming automotive retail with intelligent, human-centered AI. We're helping dealerships navigate exactly these kinds of workforce transitions, ensuring AI implementation enhances rather than replaces human expertise.
What I find compelling about Autoagentic's approach is how it aligns with this research on collaborative intelligence. The platform doesn't just automate tasks, it creates workflows where AI handles computational heavy lifting, while humans provide context, judgment, and relationship management. It's exactly this human-in-the-loop philosophy that the research shows is most effective.
Now back to today's topic. Let's explore the skills-based hiring revolution that's transforming automotive recruitment and career development.
This is huge, Steve. The research shows that 73% of employers use skills-based practices in 2023, up from 56% in 2022. Traditional hiring practices are fundamentally changing as employers shift focus from credentials to capabilities. LinkedIn data shows that skills-based hiring can expand talent pools by 6 times globally, with some countries seeing increases of 15 times in available candidates.
For automotive dealerships struggling with technician shortages, this represents a massive opportunity. Instead of requiring formal automotive training, Dealers can identify candidates based on demonstrated problem-solving abilities, technical aptitude, and learning agility, then provide specific automotive AI training.
Portfolio-based career development is replacing traditional resumes. The research mentions that workers need to build digital portfolios showcasing specific projects, measurable outcomes, and skill demonstrations. This includes GitHub repositories, published content, case studies, and video demonstrations of problem-solving approaches.
In automotive, this might mean technicians showcasing diagnostic case studies, documenting successful AI tool implementations, or creating training materials for new technologies. Service advisors could demonstrate customer satisfaction improvements or process optimization projects.
The most in-demand skill combinations for 2025 to 2030 include AI literacy paired with domain expertise, so automotive knowledge combined with AI diagnostic capabilities. Creative thinking combined with data analysis is another powerful combination, and emotional intelligence integrated with technical fluency represents the third critical pairing.
Continuous skill validation becomes essential as skills become outdated rapidly. The research emphasizes that workers need strategies for documenting learning, earning relevant certifications, and demonstrating current capabilities through practical applications.
This reminds me of the augmented reality training systems mentioned in the research. The automotive sector exemplifies the need for continuous learning frameworks as vehicle technologies evolve rapidly. Workers need skills in virtual vehicle simulation and collaborative problem-solving across traditional mechanical and advanced digital domains.
The research emphasizes that adaptability itself has become the most valuable meta skill. Workers can no longer rely on front-loading their careers with education. Continuous learning has become a job requirement, not a nice-to-have.
Change management skills help automotive professionals navigate organizational transformations, technology implementations, and evolving job requirements. This includes stakeholder communication, process documentation, and resistance management when implementing new AI diagnostic tools or customer service platforms.
Learning agility is critical. The research shows that workers with high learning agility are 5 times more likely to be retained during organizational changes. In automotive, where technology evolves rapidly, this capability is essential for career survival.
Network building and relationship management provide stability during periods of change. The research indicates that automotive professionals with strong industry networks are 3 times more likely to successfully transition to new roles during industry disruptions.
Let's talk about the transformation happening in specific automotive roles. The research mentions human-machine interface design becoming critical as vehicles incorporate more AI-powered features. Automotive professionals need abilities to design intuitive user experiences, ensure safety protocols in autonomous systems, and manage the handoff between human drivers and AI systems.
Predictive maintenance and diagnostics represents a major shift from reactive repair to AI-powered anticipatory service. Instead of waiting for components to fail, automotive technicians now work with AI systems that analyze sensor data, predict failure patterns, and recommend preventive interventions. This requires interpreting machine learning predictions and understanding complex vehicle performance analytics.
The research highlights cross-functional collaboration as essential because AI projects require diverse expertise. Automotive professionals need skills in interdisciplinary communication, working with both technical teams and customer-facing staff, plus conflict resolution and consensus building across technical and non-technical team members.
The research outlines strategic skill development frameworks that automotive professionals can implement immediately. Skill gap analysis provides the foundation for focused development, regularly assessing current capabilities against emerging job requirements and identifying critical gaps that represent either risks or opportunities.
Experiential learning projects offer practical skill development while delivering value to current employers. In automotive, this might include volunteering for AI implementation projects, leading cross-functional initiatives between service and sales departments, or creating internal training programs on new diagnostic technologies.
Professional community engagement accelerates learning through peer networks. This includes participating in automotive industry associations, attending technology conferences focused on connected vehicles, contributing to open-source automotive projects, and engaging in online professional communities.
For automotive organizations, the research outlines comprehensive AI literacy programs that should be implemented across all organizational levels, not just technical roles. This includes executive education on AI strategy, middle management training on AI team leadership, and universal employee education on AI tool usage.
Skills-based internal mobility programs help existing automotive employees transition to new roles as job requirements evolve. This includes skill mapping initiatives, internal apprenticeships, and career pathway development that prioritizes capabilities over traditional hierarchies.
The path forward requires immediate action. The research emphasizes that this transformation isn't a distant future scenario. It's happening now. Automotive workers and organizations who begin skill development immediately will have significant advantages over those who delay.
What really resonated with me from this research is the concept of collaborative intelligence, the enhanced capacity that emerges from human-AI cooperation. In automotive, this means technicians working alongside AI diagnostic systems, service advisors using AI insights to better serve customers, and sales teams leveraging AI analytics while maintaining human relationship building.
The future of automotive work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines, working together to solve challenges and create value in ways neither could achieve alone. The workers who master this collaboration, understanding when to leverage AI for diagnostic efficiency while providing the human insight and customer connection that builds trust. These are the professionals who will define the next era of automotive success.
For our listeners in automotive retail, whether you're in sales, service, parts, or management, the message is clear. The skills that got you here won't necessarily get you there, but the opportunities for those who embrace continuous learning and human-AI collaboration are unprecedented.
This episode was produced by the team at Automotive. Learn more at autoagentic.ai. We'd like to thank our producer, Barry Hillier, co-founder and CEO of Automotive AI, whose vision for human-centered automotive AI continues to inspire these conversations about the future of work in our industry. If you'd like to reach out with suggestions for future topics, email us at barry@autoagentic.ai.
Whether you're a technician learning AI diagnostics, a service advisor building customer relationships in an AI-enhanced environment, or a dealer principal navigating workforce transformation, remember that the future belongs to those who can bridge the gap between human insight and artificial intelligence. The great skills disruption is here, and those who embrace it will write the next chapter of automotive success. Thanks for joining us on Auto Intelligence.